you do? You got me down, make my world spin round. I love you, what you do now? Cause the problem is I love you. What you do, the things you think, what makes you me. I love you, what you do now? And the problem is I love you. What you do, you got me down, make my world spin round. I love you, what you do now?
What's going on YouTube? How's everyone doing? Hopefully you guys are having as good of a day as I am. The truck is washed and we'll get onto that after a minute. Don't look at this though. I need to fix this. I'm gonna just go with a black one. I don't even care about paint. I think black for this and then red for the chrome, black for the bottom. We'll get the grill all done up. But anyways, today was my last working day in the United States Marine Corps. I still have to pick up my DD-214, which is the last form that says you were released from active duty, but it is a long weekend, so I will be picking it up over the weekend, so I no longer have to go to work tomorrow night. This is Thursday when I'm filming this. Tomorrow night, Friday, is the Marine Corps ball. I'm gonna try to have this up today or tomorrow, so you might be seeing it on Friday. Anyways, I washed the truck. We're gonna do some stuff to this for later on. I'm waiting for some stuff to come in the mail. But basically, right now, I'm going to clean it out. I'm gonna pull the seats out of the truck, maybe, probably. I'm gonna pull the seats out and actually do a solid detailing job on this thing. So, that's what we're gonna get into. We're gonna have this thing all torn apart. We're gonna basically be pulling the interior out and putting it back in after we vacuum up all the crud that falls down in between your seats, all that good stuff. So, kind of the proper way to clean the inside of a Duramax or a Chevy, a GMT 800 truck, I think these are. So basically we're gonna get to tearing this whole thing down, and then a little bit later on we're gonna be doing some work out over yonder. So anyways guys, we're gonna get into it and just start cleaning up. The dog's running around here somewhere. I don't think she's been feeling good. Coyote, come here. Come here, say hello. What's up, girl? And we'll talk a little bit further, so make sure you watch and further in the video for what's coming on the side here. We need to have a talk, and hopefully you guys will be as excited as I am about it. So we're trying to get this thing all set up, all ready to go, and ready for the next adventure in my life, which you guys will be finding out about shortly. Alrighty guys, as you can see there's hair and shit everywhere, so we're gonna actually pull this seat out, which this little side piece comes off. There's these 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts for the big side, and there's like 4 bolts over here that hold it to that side. So we're gonna undo all those and then pull this side out, pull the other side out, and we're gonna do the same for the front. So get underneath there and kind of just clean everything. And as you can see, this truck was once wired for subs. So someday, somehow, in another life, probably put some back in it. But don't worry. I'm like 99% sure I unplugged it at the battery, so I think we're good, but should probably check that anyways. I forgot about it. Alrighty guys, got them out. A little heavy lifting, a little awkward with that one. Got this one out too. As you can see, I got a bunch of stuff back here that we need to clean up, vacuum, all good stuff. We're gonna start working on, I'm gonna clean the rest later, but hopefully, ooh, I don't know if I have the bits for that. Those look like Torx bits, sort of. Ooh, here's the big question, you know. The other one's right there. Question is, do I have the right size for it? Guess we'll find out. Alrighty guys, this is why you should do this. Freaking disgusting. Not that I'm a super neat freak anyway, so it's probably half my fault, but anyways, get all our stuff. These just pull up pretty easy. Oh, mine's cracked too. Just clean all that stuff out. All this dirt and crud and everything. Look, there's money. I don't know if I can even get it. New truck parts coming to you courtesy of the Clean Vehicle Club. Got a few pennies too. Yeah, so basically I'm gonna clean all this stuff out, vacuum it, and my buddy Jared, he's picking up a carpet cleaner, so I'm gonna clean all these carpets because this is bad. So anyways, for the front seats, So I didn't have a socket big enough for these, but it's a 15, 12 point fits. Yeah, 15, 12 point fits perfectly on these. So got those off, got the back. They were a E16 socket for these bolts. So 2 bolts and 2 nuts, kind of like this deal. And you get the whole front section out. I showed you the back. So I'm gonna organize, clean, and hopefully make this truck look all pretty inside. Alrighty guys, we are picking up on a new day. This video obviously didn't make it out, so all that stuff about Thursday, Friday is over. It's now Saturday, and I will let you guys know that I am officially out of the Marine Corps today. I really didn't make any progress on the inside of the truck like we were gonna show later, so we're still gonna go over that. But real quick, I wanna show you, and by no means am I an expert, but we have the new shop decal put on the truck. Look at that. Not too bad. I never do vinyl and I don't have any patience, but we're getting there. We're gonna add some more stuff. Probably put my phone number on the back of the truck or something, but slowly becoming the shop truck. So we're working on it. We got both sides. I kind of messed the side up. It doesn't look too bad, but definitely not perfect. And the doors are open, so they're a little bit off, but you can see right there, maybe the O. I'm okay with admitting I make mistakes, but it's all good. It's cool. So anyways, with that being said, guys, I am in the Lake Elsinore, California area, so SoCal, Riverside, you know, that area, and we're going for it. We're opening a shop. We got some customers already. The shop isn't fully set, ready. We're not really sure how this whole thing's working out. Still cleaning up some details of it, but as far as the plan for after the Marine Corps, this is it. So, you know, if you guys know some people that need work, we're doing just about everything. Like you guys seen it all in the videos. You guys see everything that we've done and that we're going to continue to do. I know we have a solid axle swap coming in soon, so that's going to be some custom work. It's going to take some time, but once we have that all designed up, we're going to start pumping them out, hopefully a lot. But anyways, that's enough rambling on about the shop. We'll go more into that at a different time. I got TVs in my headrest. What you know about that? I've never seen them work, but we're gonna finish detailing the inside of the truck. Obviously I cleaned it yesterday to put the vinyl on, and then I need to clean the interior, so it's still trashed. I have all the seats out though. It's kind of hard to see in here, but I was drinking Dunkin' too, so it's not normally this messy, but I've been throwing shit over here because there's no seats. So yeah, we're gonna clean this all out, vacuum. I have a new carpet cleaner. I just bought a little green machine from Walmart. They're 89 bucks and they're fantastic. They're small and you can use them right on your interior and it cleans everything. So we're gonna see if we can get the headrest pretty much cleaned, because I got some dirt up there. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see it right up there. We're gonna clean all the carpets and everything, so just gotta get after it. Not gonna bore you guys too much. I just wanted to talk to you guys for a little bit because I'm freaking excited. It was my last day yesterday in the Marine Corps. Picked up all my paperwork, all that good stuff, so technically a free man at this point. Alright guys, so as you can see, it's not perfect by any means, but it's pretty close. For the amount of dog hair, and someone died right here and there's a blood stain or something and it just wouldn't come out. Tried our best, but for the amount of crud and probably like 4 years that this thing hasn't been washed, we got it pretty clean. Under here is all cleaned up pretty much. So the seats still need to get done, the interior still needs to be detailed, but my buddy's gonna take care of that. He owes me a full detail, so yeah, we're just gonna throw these seats back in and keep carrying on. So it should be pretty simple. We're just gonna take all the nuts off and then bolt them right back down the way they were. So easy day. And we have finally picked up a clean puppy dog. Coyote, come here. What's up? And as you can see, the interior is pretty much back in the truck. We got the seats folded down in the back. I don't know if you can really see, but we're gonna keep them folded down just for now. But pretty much everything's clean. The interior is all good. I know it's gonna be hard to see. I don't know if this is auto adjusting or not, but it's pretty clean. Still need to go through and clean up a few things, but pretty much the main detail is done. So that's gonna wrap it up for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. A little bit about what's going on in my life lately. I'm gonna try and pick up the YouTube thing again. It's been hectic trying to move and get out and all this stuff. It's been crazy, so we're gonna get back into it. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button to see more of what we're doing. We're gonna work on the truck. There's a tuning video coming soon. The truck's already tuned, but we gotta make some final adjustments to it. We're gonna drop that. And if you enjoyed the video, like I said, drop a thumbs up, and we'll catch you guys later. We're out.